Welcome to Henry Shine Tokyo. The point of today is to inform you on how living life and conducting business may be quite different in Japan. Let's start with some daily differences. First, always be carrying your passport with you. Just like foreigners from out of the US visiting, you need your passport to be able to identify who you are. You can be detained for not having it, so it's best to always carry it with you. Next, being on time is very crucial. Trains, planes, and everything between run exactly on time, even down to the second. So learn to be exactly on time, if not early. Eating in public as well is seen as impolite. With people not eating in public as much, there are also few garbages, so carry a bag if you need a garbage. And last, tips at a restaurant are not a thing, so no need to leave one. Now for the business differences. The world of dental business in Japan is a bit different. As a salesman, starting and conducting business with a doctor is like a marriage, so always honor what you do and stay consistent. The culture is very collectivist as well. Dentists may be more concerned with the office's goals rather than their personal goals, so keep that in mind. Being on time is extremely important, so I'm going to say it again. Learn to be on time. As a salesman, doctors will expect you to be walking in at the exact moment they need you. Set up a time and get on it. Bowing to dentists and seniors as well is something very crucial, as an introduction. And lastly, they may introduce themselves with their last name first. This is completely normal. You should return with the same. For me, it would be Anderson Camden. Thank you for listening today, and good luck on your dental sales in Japan.